Hello everyone, welcome to part 76 of 100 Ways to Motivate Yourself. I'm Walt, here we are with our 76th principle in this series. And today's principle is to take things lightly. Now this one's pretty interesting because a lot of people have problems with this one. A lot of people struggle with this all the time because they're thinking, oh, this challenge I'm facing is so big, it's so difficult, I can't stand it. And so his solution to this problem is to take things lightly, to go out and just say for a minute, you know what, I'm going to laugh about this. What if I come up with a funny solution? I owe some money. What if I think the universe just drops it like a seagull flies over and drops 10 grand in my lap? The idea of that is pretty funny. I mean, honestly, think of some jokes. Listen to a funny show, okay? A good cartoon show will often do that for you. Either, a kid's cartoon, adult cartoon. Regardless, a lot of these will make you laugh with the ridiculous things that can be done in cartoons. Anything that's funny, sitcoms, whatever will get you laughing often gets you past the problem, as long as you're not just avoiding the problem by using it for that. So the idea here is basically take things lightly. And he says, as Chesterton says here, that God's angels only fly because they can take themselves lightly, and so if that's just the angels, what does that mean for the Lord kind of idea? So regardless of your religious beliefs, though, it's kind of an interesting idea. And basically, when it comes to our day-to-day life, one of the major problems that we're so weighed down by is we're trying to eat like an entire turkey in one bite. Now, we can easily eat, a bunch of turkey, but we're thinking we need to do it all at once. We're thinking we need to stay up all night and then we're going to do perfect on the test. We think that we need to do this like big, hard challenge, this big labor, like a Hercules and kind of labor. And actually, we don't, okay? We just need to do things really small. And really small things are light. It's like trying to move a giant boulder. And instead of moving a boulder, we break it down into gravel and we move one piece at a time. Now, moving one piece at a time may take more time than if you could move the whole boulder, but it's a lot easier and it still gets the job done. So break things into pieces and they become a lot easier. That's one way to really take things lightly. And humor will destroy all fear. So if you can laugh about stuff, you're going to be a much happier person. Some of the happiest people in the world, you will see they are laughing and smiling and having a great time all the time. So I want to be more like that. I know you guys do too. Here's the way to do it. Take things lightly. Anyway, that's about it for our 76th principle. I'll see you guys next time on part 77. I'm Walt. I'll see you then.